Welcome back to the translation of the Poots Tittiman Flores song. Let's get right to it. Dale Hasandiru. Dale is when. Hasandiru comes from the word asandira, which means to feel particularly not well. And Sandi means sickness. So you see the similarities in the word. So dale, when, hasandiru, notice the H in front means they. So when they get sick, when us Garinagas get sick. Furume haritagun luago lira surusia. Furume is first. Furume haritagu. Haritagu comes from the verb aritagua, which means to think or to remember. Luago is, in this case, about. Lira surusia, the words of the doctor. First thing they think about when they get sick are the words of the doctor.